Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you are watching a Patchwork Parcel opening. Let's see what we got. I think I've got some of this fabric. When I go to hide or hang out up in Cleveland, she's always got a lot of different colors of this. Sometimes there's some at this design at Joann's, but I love this. Listen, Elaine and I have got such similar taste. I love it. It's like she knows me. Let's see what we've got. Well, first of all, I got a little postcard pattern. Let's see what's called. Sugar Plum. Tricia Lynn Maloney Orphan Quilts design. Oh, that's cute. Let's see what else. Oh. Oh. She's not going to be doing the quilt kits anymore. Well, but she's going to be doing the fabric kits. So, and she is offering a coupon code. So that's kind of neat. Let's see what all we've got here. Oh, look at that. We've got a charm pack. And it is Christmas, which now's about the time. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is nice. That is Glad Tidings, an elegant winter collection from Maywood Studio. We have poinsettia, pine cones, paisley swirls, got delicate gold metallic. Those are just lovely. And she's also sent some needles. Chrome professional grade. 5 Microtex sharp needles. I have to admit, I have not tried these. So we may have to give those a go. And then we've got the binding. Again, these are beautiful. And some holly. And all of this is going to go together so nicely. And I like the way she's got everything labeled. And some large poinsettias. But she is entirely right. Now is the time to get started. And then we've got some really nice. What is this? Oh, Pellon Fusible Thermoland Plus. It's a fusible adhesive on one side, sewing machine safe. That's a new one. I haven't tried that. So we've got lots of new little goodies to try. And a really sweet looking table runner, I would say. It has the Thermoland, so you can put hot stuff on it on the table, I'm guessing. I love that. Oh, and using our big poinsettias for these centers here and here. This is nice. I like this. This is going to be fun, and it's going to be real pretty. Well, Elaine, we were sorry that you're ending your quilt subscription. Just need to know that we have all enjoyed it very much. Very glad that you're continuing with the monthly fabric bundles, because I love the fabric you choose. It's, like I said, it's like it's me. We're choosing the ones that we just all really like, and they're so nice. So what a treat it's been to get all these wonderful goodies in the mail. Some new needles for me to try, a new pattern to try, a new batting to try. I said, that's going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to trying that. And then some absolutely gorgeous Christmas fabric. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pine cones. The plaids. These are so nice. Oh. Black. These are very modern. Love the vintagey stuff, but I also think they're coming up with some great modern things. I love these plaids. Aren't those great? More holly. These are beautiful. It's always a treat to go to the mailbox and find something special, finding nice little treats that you can use. And this has been a lot of fun for me. Don't know about you guys. Maybe you've just been sitting there jealous. I don't know. But this is Patchwork Parcel. According to the letter, she is canceling the quilt kit subscriptions, but she is keeping on with the fabric. And we do wish her all the best. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I hope you have found something to inspire you, something to motivate you, something to encourage you. Find something that makes you smile and then pass it on to somebody else. We're all in this together, and let's inspire somebody today. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much for watching.